Are new on Google Docs, I will tell you how to change your page format in an easy way. You can choose from here the page orientation and stuff, or you can also choose from here page setup, and you can change all the page setup that you want. You can change it for the whole document or only for the selected content. You can put the orientation into portrait or landscape, the paper size into letter A4, A3 folio, whatever you want. And then you can also change the page color back to white or back to black if you want, and also the margin in inches right there. Okay. If you're not familiar with inches, you can just grab this. For example, 3 cm in inches. You can open that by pressing here in Mac, Command plus space. You can open this one up, inches to centimeter in inches, something like that. And that is how you're able to manage the margin, the page format easily.